want to edit this video over here, we have to click on this icon over here. Or from the structure, we have to click on video. Then we can see that we are in the video widget. We can see the source over here. We can choose one from those settings over here. We can add a link over here. We can specify a particular start time in seconds and a particular end time in seconds. We can choose it to be autoplay if we want to. If we are choosing the autoplay, we can also choose to autoplay on mobile if we want to. We can choose it to be mute, to loop. We can choose it to have the player controls or not. Modest branding, caption, privacy mode, lazy load, suggestion videos from current video channel or any video, and we can also have an image overlay. By clicking over here to show, we can choose a different image for the overlay for the video. Now, if I'm clicking on this button, the video is going to start. We have the settings for image over here, like the image resolution. If we want to see the play icon or not, we can choose a different icon if we want to, like so, from over here from the icon library, or we can upload an icon if we want to. And we can also have a lightbox, like so. Now, if we are going over here to style, we have aspect ratio, like so, some CSS filter if you want to, some settings for the image overlay, for the play icon, the color over here, the size over here, and the shadow from over here. We have the color over here, the opacity over here, the blur over here, the horizontal distance and the vertical distance, like so. And for the lightbox, we have background color over here, UI colors, UI hover color, and the animation. And we also have the advanced settings, like the margin and the padding, like so. If we want a border to this particular element, we can add that in the advanced tab. We can go over here to border, to solid, and choose over here the width and the color from over here. We can also add a background to this particular element from over here to background, and like so. Those settings are from the advanced tab. So we could create an effect like so. For example, I have changed the border width, I have unlinked the values, and I have added the border to 25 pixels to the right and to the bottom. I have unlinked the values for the radius, and I have added a radius of 20 pixels to the right and to the left. And to the layout, I have changed the padding to 0. By clicking on this arrow over here, we can preview the changes. We can always preview the changes for the tablet view from over here and to the mobile view from over here. You can see that we don't have a spacing between this container with the text and the container with the video. We can change that by clicking over here for this container, for the container that has the video, to the advanced, over here to the padding, unlink this, and to the bottom, I'm going to add 50 pixels in this case because I have the pixels, 50 pixels to the bottom, or 30 would be better. For the tablet, I'm going to do the same, like so.